Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making tiger nuts, which I added something different. So these are my ingredients. I bought my tiger nut seed, dates, banana with coconut, ginger and beetroots, which I've washed them very well, and you can see everything is clean. So I first of all was going with my banana, which I divided the tiger nuts. I divided it into two batches. So I'm going in with the first batches with, I think it's 3 banana. Then after that I go in with my tiger nuts, which I've washed. I washed the tiger nut very well. Then I soak it overnight, so it's going to be very soft for my blender to crush. So the measurement of the tiger nuts that is inside here is half mudu. This milk cup, if you measure it, is 5 cups of tiger nuts that is inside that rubber. So secondly, I went in with my coconut, which I slice it. And the coconuts that I use is one big coconut that I use. Note: before I soak the tiger nuts, I make sure I picked it. I pick the spoiled one and I separate it from the good side, because if you did not pick it, it's likely you meet a stone, or the one that is spoiled is going to make your tiger nuts be sour. It's going to give you this sour taste. So I make sure I pick the spoiled one and I separate it from the good side, the good one. So next I go in with my ginger. Then I go in with my dates. So this date I soaked it overnight. Then I bring out the seed inside. So if you want to use the dates, you have to soak it and wash it before soaking, so it's going to be soft overnight. Then you can easily bring out the seed inside. So that's what I did here. So this is my beetroot. So this beetroot I set it aside after peeling. So I bring out a bottle water, very cold bottle water, because if you want to blend your tiger nut, or if you want to do it, you have to maintain a cold temperature. So that is why I'm using cold bottle water. Then I started blending. So like I told you that I've divided the tiger nut into 2 batches. So this is the second batch. So I'm going with my tiger nuts, banana, then coconut, and I added ginger with dates. So then I turn it into another bowl. So this is my beetroots. I've sliced it. I washed it, then I sliced it. I dice it. So I pour it into my blender. Then I blended it. So after that, I bring out this size and my cheesecloth. So I started sieving it. So you can use a sieve, or me, I prefer this sieve cloth. So I started sieving it by batches. So if you want to drink healthy, this is the way you can drink healthy. You can drink your tiger nuts in a healthy manner with these beetroots, and everything that I'm using has its own health benefits. So I'm done with the sieving. So I bring out my beetroots that I blended. So I sieve it out also. So yeah, after sieving, I first of all bring out a bottle which I have washed very well. I washed my bottle. So I bring out one of the tiger nuts, which I did not mix with beetroots. So after bringing that out, so the rest I mix it with beetroots. So the reason why I'm mixing little by little is that I don't want the color to be much deeper. So So if you like, you can make it deeper than this, but me, I love the color like this. So that is what happened. So I bring out my bottle, then I put it inside my bottle. Guys, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also like, and please subscribe, please support my channel.